You won't believe what happens before that can of tuna reaches you, something you buy and open in just seconds. This small can is not just fast food as many people think. It's the result of a very long journey, starting from the depths of the oceans, where there are no human laws. In this video from the channel Inside the Industrial World, we'll take you on a completely different journey. We'll start from the sea and see how one of the fastest fish in the world is caught. Then we move to factories to understand how this fish turns into a ready-to-eat product. After that, we'll dive into the evolution of this industry and how it transformed from a simple profession into one of the largest industries in the world. And finally, we'll reveal the full truth. Is tuna really healthy? Or are there risks many people overlook? Get ready, because what you're about to hear today might completely change your perspective. Fishing stage, a relentless world. In the open ocean, where the waters stretch endlessly, lives the tuna. Not an ordinary fish, it is one of the fastest marine creatures, capable of swimming at very high speeds. With incredible endurance, some types of tuna can travel thousands of kilometers in search of food. And that's what makes catching them a real challenge. The fisherman here isn't looking for a single fish, but for massive schools that are constantly moving. And at sea, things are not as simple as they seem. Waves can rise suddenly, the weather can change within minutes, and visibility can disappear completely. That's why modern fishing vessels rely on highly advanced technologies. Sonar devices send waves into the water, and these waves return to give an approximate image of where the fish are tajmered. But that's not all. Water temperature is analyzed, currents are tracked, and even the movement of birds in the sky, because birds often indicate fish beneath them. When the school is located, one of the most intense moments begins. The vessels move quickly, and massive nets are deployed. These are no ordinary nets. They can stretch hundreds of meters, designed to surround the entire school. Then they begin to close gradually, like a tightening wall. Inside, thousands of fish move rapidly, trying to escape. But it's useless. This moment requires great precision, because any mistake in timing or movement could allow the entire school to escape. After that, the nets are pulled in very slowly. The scene is extremely exhausting. Workers, machines, constant motion. This process can take hours. But the real challenge starts now. A race against time. The moment tuna is pulled from the water, the race against time begins. Why? Because tuna meat is highly sensitive to temperature. If it's not cooled quickly, its quality starts to decline, and that means major losses. So, the tuna is washed immediately, then transferred to cooling rooms on the vessel. On some modern ships, instant freezing systems are used, dropping the fish's temperature in a very short time. This freezing doesn't just preserve appearance, it preserves taste, nutritional value, and natural texture. Some vessels stay at sea for weeks, and during that time, thousands of fish must be kept in perfect condition. Any failure in the cooling system can lead to massive spoilage. Once they reach the port, the tuna is transported to factories. Here begins a very precise stage. Thawing is done in special rooms, with carefully controlled temperatures, so the tuna gradually returns without losing quality or juices. After that, it enters production lines, where it is carefully cleaned. The head, guts, and fins are removed, with some parts used in other industries, like fish oils. Then it moves to steam cooking, placed in large ovens and exposed to high heat. This process helps firm the meat and makes it easier to separate skin and bones later. After cooking, the tuna is cooled. Then the fine cleaning begins. Skin, small bones, and dark meat are removed to obtain pure, high-quality flesh. Then comes cutting, where the tuna is prepared based on the final product type, either chunks or flakes. Next, we reach the canning stage. The tuna is placed into metal cans in precise quantities, then oil or salted water is added. After that, the cans are sealed tightly, then undergo thermal sterilization. They are exposed to high heat and pressure to eliminate any bacteria and ensure long shelf life. Finally, the cans are cooled, carefully inspected, then prepared for packaging and distribution. Hundreds of years ago, fishing wasn't this complex. The fisherman relied on his eyes, his experience, and luck. A small boat, a simple net, that's all. Trips could last days, without any result. But over time, humans began to develop their tools. Engines appeared, then radar, then sonar, and today, we're talking about massive ships that operate like floating cities. They contain computers, tracking systems, and even satellite communications. Today's fisherman no longer relies only on experience, but on precise data and analysis. Some sailors tell stories of chasing tuna schools for hours, sometimes even days, because these fish never stop moving. And there's a saying, the sea doesn't give easily. You may work all day and catch nothing. Then in one moment, you get enough for months. This profession is not just a job. It's a true test of patience and endurance. Benefits and risks, the other side. After all this journey, tuna reaches your plate. But the question is it really healthy? Tuna is very rich in protein, making it an excellent choice for athletes. It also contains omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health and improve brain function. It also includes important vitamins, like vitamin D and B12. But there's another side that many don't talk about. Due to the nature of tuna and its long lifespan, it can accumulate heavy metals, especially mercury. This means excessive consumption of tuna can have negative long-term effects, especially for children and pregnant women. That's why experts always recommend moderation. Once or twice a week is considered a good balance. Balance is the key. No excess, no deprivation. From the depths of a relentless ocean to non-stop factories to a small can in your hand, this is the journey of tuna. A journey full of challenges, technology, and details we never see. On the Industrial World channel, we always take you behind the scenes to reveal what is usually hidden. If you enjoyed this type of content, don't forget to follow, because what's coming next is deeper, stranger, and even more fascinating.